So now, really good and easy system to use, I've got to be honest. Now, if you go to your music, if you want to play music through here, you'll see there, into iTunes, at the bottom there, it's saying Nissan Connect. Nissan Connect. If it's not ticked for any reason, just tick the red triangle with the 3 red circles there at the bottom, and then make sure Nissan Connect's showing. If your car isn't showing Nissan Connect, then it doesn't have it. However, if we'll turn it down, click play. So that's playing, but what you have to do now is go to auxiliary. That's showing Barry's iPhone. Sometimes with one click it won't go straight to that. You may have to do it twice. It could be on auxiliary. So if it's on auxiliary, click again, Barry's iPhone there. We'll turn this up. So that's up there, and then we'll turn this up. Same sad story, love and that's I can't keep it on too long because it's against YouTube's copyright rules, but that's how you play it, and it's a good system as well. It's a really good, easy system to use. Great little car, this.